What if I told you a country declared war on birds and lost? 1932, Australia. Farmers were struggling after World War I. Then 20,000 emus migrated into farmland, destroying everything in sight. So the government sent soldiers with machine guns to handle the emu problem. Yes, actual military troops. The soldiers opened fire. The emus ran in all directions, too fast to hit. Bullets jabbed. After waste thousands of rounds of ammo, the army gave up. The emus won the war. Farmers just stared in disbelief. To this day, the Emu War remains one of history's strangest defeats, a war lost to birds.